Let's learn English through short conversations at a mall. With vocabulary and listening questions. Healthy dinner.
Honey, I believe we should be healthy tonight.
Oh no, here we go again. What are we having?
Well, I was thinking of boiled chicken and brown rice.
Gosh, no frying. Not even a drop of oil.
Haha, no darling, we need something light.
Light. I do not even think I can be full.
We also have some salad. Is that all right?
Darling, I love you so much, but this sounds like a rabbit food dinner.
Well, it's not just fresh veggies. There will be roasted vegetables in the salad too.
Roasted vegetables, huh? That's a little better. What else?
Oh, I'll also add some quinoa then. It's healthy and filling.
Quinoa, what is that? Some kind of magic food?
Haha, it's a superfood. It's full of protein.
Oh, alright. But if I'm still hungry after all this, I'm going to eat my weight in chocolate.
Haha, don't worry, baby. I've dark chocolate at home for dessert.
Okay, I feel a bit better. Let's go get your magic quinoa.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Boiled. Cooked in hot water. Quinoa. A type of small, round seed that is used as food, full of protein. Superfood. A food that is very healthy and full of nutrients. Your listening question is: what kind of food is the wife planning to make for dinner? Answer: she is planning to make boiled chicken, brown rice, salad, and quinoa. Picnic snacks.
So for today, we need to buy some snacks for the picnic.
Oh, snacks. What do you think we should get?
Well, I was thinking of chips, fruit, and some sandwiches.
Can we say no to chips? I'm trying to reduce eating junk food.
Haha, fine. So Mr. Healthy, how about some granola bars?
Granola bars are good, but I want something sweet too.
Didn't you just say no to junk food?
Maybe just a little chocolate.
Haha, okay. I'll get some dark chocolate for you, but only a little.
You're the best. Now let's find some drinks.
I guess we shall say no to sugary drinks as well.
Oh my, we're really going healthy, huh?
Exactly. Healthy picnic, healthy vibes.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Snack. A small amount of food that you eat between meals. Granola bar. A healthy bar made from oats, nuts, and honey. Vibe. The feeling or atmosphere of a place or situation. Your listening question is: what kind of snacks are they planning to bring to the picnic? Answer: They plan to bring fruit, sandwiches, granola bars, and dark chocolate. Buying a new vacuum cleaner.
Honey, we really need a new vacuum cleaner.
Another one. I thought the old one still works, sort of.
Haha, darling, it's more like a dust collector now.
You're right. But remember that vacuum cleaner is pretty expensive these days.
It's worth it. Look, this one can clean everything, even pet hair.
Pet hair. Does it clean my hair too? Because I think I shed more than Buddy.
Probably. Oh look, it can also clean the sofa and car parts perfectly.
I like the sound of that. How much?
It's a little pricey, but think about how much time it will save us. Come on.
All right. Anything you want, honey.
Deal. I think I have found my dream vacuum cleaner today.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Vacuum cleaner. A machine used to clean floors by sucking up dirt. Sofa. A large comfortable seat for several people. Pet hair. Fur from animals like cats and dogs. Your listening question is: what can the new vacuum cleaner clean? Answer: it can clean everything, including pet hair, maybe human hair, the sofa, and carpets. Healthy drinks.
Hey buddy, your mom wants you to have some healthy drinks today.
Healthy drinks, like juice.
Exactly. Good boy. We need something with no sugar.
No sugar? Oh no, that sounds boring.
Haha, don't worry. We can get apple juice or orange juice. You like them, right?
Yes, Grandpa, I like apples very much.
Me too. It's healthy and tastes sweet without all that sugar.
What about soda? I like soda.
I guess it's a no. Soda is too sweet. It's like drinking sugar.
But soda is fun. Come on, Grandpa. Pretty please.
We can have soda sometimes, but today, let's go for something better for our tummies. Okay.
Okay, Grandpa. Let's get apple juice. I love apples.
That's the spirit.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Juice. A drink made from fruit. Soda. A sweet, fizzy drink, often with a lot of sugar. Tummy. A cute word for stomach. Your listening question is: what kind of drinks do they choose to buy? Answer: they choose apple juice. Clothes for fall. Honey, it's finally fall. Your favorite season, right?
Yay! I need a new jacket for the cold weather.
That's a good idea. Let's find a nice, warm one.
Oh, look at this one. It's so cute.
It's very cute. Let me feel the fabric. Oh no, I don't think it's very warm.
Oh no, I want to look stylish and warm.
Haha, of course. Let's find something that's both.
What about this one, Mom?
That's the one. It's warm, stylish, and will keep you cozy all season.
I love it, but do I need new boots too?
Haha, yes. You can't have too many boots for fall.
Great, maybe we can buy a scarf to match too.
Of course, darling. You'll be the cutest girl in school this fall. Let's look at the vocabulary. Jacket. A piece of clothing worn on the upper part of the body for warmth. Cozy. Warm, comfortable, and pleasant. Scarf. A piece of cloth worn around the neck for warmth or fashion. Your listening question is: what is the daughter looking for to wear in the fall? Answer: she is looking for a warm jacket, boots, and a scarf. Buying a new football.
Hey buddy, looks like you need a new football.
Yes, Dad! The old one is all flat and sad. I have a game next week too.
Oh no. We can't have a sad football. Let's get a new one.
Look at this one. It's so shiny and looks super cool.
Haha, well, a shiny football won't make you play better.
But it will definitely make me look cooler on the field.
Haha, true. Let's check the price first.
It's a little expensive.
If it makes you play like a pro, then it's worth it.
Do you think I can score all the goals with this football?
My boy is a football star. Of course, he can score goals. Plus, this is a gift for your amazing math score, remember.
Thanks, Dad! You are the best!
Let's look at the vocabulary. Football. A ball used for playing the sport of football, soccer in the US. Flat. When something is not full of air and is soft or squashed. Pro. A professional athlete, someone very skilled in a sport. Your listening question is: why does the son want a new football? Answer: because his old football is flat and he needs a new one for the game next week. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.